hope I can get in without getting wet today. Well, I think I'm going to, but anyways, let's give it a bash. So beaching is about not catching the wave. Trying your best not to catch a wave and get behind the wave if possible. So you sort of wait for the sets to come. As the sets come, you on the back end of the set, you want to go in as fast as you can. You catch a wave, bubble with it, easy. So yeah, so this is the set that I'm probably going to go behind. So it's now on the back of it. I'll wait for the next one to come. Just make sure that I'm not going to get smoked. There's one more big wave on the back there, and then as soon as that comes through, I'm going to gap it behind it. So the trick is to try not catch any waves. As soon as you catch waves, that's where you break your skis and all sorts happens. So that's the one I'm going to go behind. Okay. I'm actually going to back out on this. I've got some good sets coming here. I'm going to put my nose back into them. Okay, here's my gap now. It's pretty unpredictable actually. The little swells are turning into little big pieces. So on this wave here. Here we go. Okay. This is going to break just in front of me. Here we go. Part of the cat.